Hey, Chris here with Top Notch Plumbing. We're going to be doing a Delta faucet rebuild on a tub shower. This is the old style with the cups and springs and the ball. So just watch here and we'll go ahead and get started now. We've also already turned the water off to the house and bled the pressure off. One thing that I've always done, I've always sprayed a little WD-40 right in here, right in there, let it set for just a minute, and then makes it a lot easier to get the old off. Go ahead and take the packing out, set that to the side. Some people want to use a pair of channel locks right here. You should not do that. What that does is that will squeeze this bonnet nut, exit, and then it makes it harder to get off. And on these old style valves, you can also twist the valve body, which will cause a leak in the wall. So I always use a small pipe wrench. Just be easy on it so you don't damage the finish. Makes it a lot easier to get it off. Throw away our old parts. Old cups and springs. Put in new cups and springs. Use my flashlight just to make sure they are in good. Yes, they are. New stainless steel ball. New packing. And they are a little snug to put in, which is a good thing. Just make sure that you get your O-ring in there good and don't pinch that. Put it in place, put the new bonnet nut on. New packing ring. We're actually reusing the packing ring. Little Delta tool to tighten that down. Make sure that we've got good movement. All right, we'll take our handle. All right, now we'll turn the water back on, test everything out. Thank you guys for watching.